Our anti-aging repair moisturizer will even skin tone and correct fine lines. This aromatherapy-based daily moisturizer features antioxidant powerhouse lipochromin, up to 11 times stronger than the leading topical antioxidants on the market, to protect against free radical damage caused by pollution and UV radiation. Chromabright, a vitamin E analog, corrects uneven skin tone while preventing free radical damage from UVA and the HEV light emitted from blue skies and digital screens. Firming peptides support collagen and replenish moisture loss caused by climate conditions. Wearing our anti-aging repair moisturizer, you'll keep your skin unexposed to all 4 of the external factors that are aging it: pollution, light, climate, and irritants.